What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Thank you guys so much for joining us. And next time, today we're just giving you a short video, a little piece of our trip to Royal Decameron. So we took a trip there earlier this year, and by the way, this is Cornwall Beach, the one in Montego Bay. So we're just giving you a quick run through of the room and a little walk around, show you some of the views that you can see from the room, from the outside. And I'm sure this video will help somebody to make a decision on their next trip. Probably you've heard about Decameron, but you've never really gotten the chance to visit there. I hope this video can help you to make that decision. But just before we go into that video, guys, please head over to Escapade Deals on Instagram, and you can use them to make your reservations. If you want to take a trip, whether it be to another parish or to another country, you can hit up Escapade Deals. Their pages on Instagram, go follow them. You can ask all the questions that you want. They will provide you with the answers because the service that they provide is excellent and superb. ChriSamz tell you that. Alright? So another thing is that they keep you up to date with the rates for the hotels in Jamaica. So if you're looking to book a trip for your birthday, whether you want it to be for your anniversary, Christmas, or just vacation, a little getaway, you can hit them up, guys, and they will sort that out for you. All you have to do is to make that request. So just follow them, ask them the questions, and they will get right back to you. And by the way, guys, Cornwall Beach, Decameron is the one that every room is sea view. You can see the pool, you can see the beach, you can see the planes coming in. So don't worry about getting a garden view. Don't worry about not getting a nice scenery. Imagine waking up to the sun rising over the sea. Guys, it is absolutely beautiful. But enough of the chattings. Why don't you guys just continue to watch this video, like this video, subscribe, share, leave us a comment, and enjoy this room tour and brief walk around. So thank you guys for being here, and please to watch this video till the end.
Welcome to my crib. Come on in, guys. So alright, so as we enter, we have the bathroom here. Come on in. Nice shower, you know, basic bathroom things, shower, toilet, face basin. You know, look bad, it's up to date and nice. Alright? And like always, you know, hotel rooms come with, you know, little closet with your iron board and your iron and the safe. Now, we actually end up with 2 beds, but that's fine. Place does look nice and fresh. With the bed them now, we can take turns. One night we go on one and the next night we go on the other one. But yeah, we forget the, what I call it, mini bar, but it's actually empty. I think it's because of the whole COVID thing though, but yeah. Look nice stills, and guess what? Yeah, guess what? Outside. Preview, guys, preview. Lovely view, lovely view. Nice, don't it? guys, we actually just come, just get the room and everything. So you know, we're getting settled in. I'm gonna try and grab some food. But yeah, we just decided to do a little view and team. We're gonna see what we're going. This is Decameron, Cornwall Beach. Yeah, these are the updated side.
Can I get a 51 from the good girls line? Where the good girls at? That's what I'm talking about. We're in the, oh my goodness, 17. Oh, 17. No, sir. We're still in the O line. What number do you need from the O line? 66. I hear 78. 78 in bingo. Who said 78? 69, the good number. I agree with you. It's my favorite number too. I agree with you. But you know what? We don't have 69. We got 72. Oh, 72. Oh my goodness. We're in the OMG line.
You know, like the omelette food, you know, I'm telling you, I don't want tonight. We're outside, but you know, guys, on a regular day, we know have breakfast with this view, right? It's lovely. Well, Chris, go and get fruit. Well, see me. So, actually gonna try and get towels. Yeah, it's sun hot though, man. Bad, but the place looks very nice. Very nice. Lovely. It's gonna land. We're not too far from the airport, that's why.